If you're visiting Washington, D.C., then touring the United States Capitol building is probably on your list. With this video, we'll show you the best way to get the required tickets. Taking a tour inside the Capitol requires a timed ticket. Though they are free, you will need to make advanced reservations to guarantee a tour, whether it be online through the Capitol Visitor Center website or through your congressperson. And don't worry, if you missed getting them in advance, later in the video we'll show you how to try for walk-up tickets. Option 1. Booking online. These tickets allow you to take a tour with a Capitol Visitor Center docent. These tours are staffed by professional docents who have extensive knowledge of the building. Guests are organized into groups of around 20 and can listen to their guide through headsets. Reservations can be made on their website, and anyone, not just U.S. citizens, can reserve tickets this way. You'll have to create an account to log into the booking system. It will show you all the time slots available for the next few months. You won't be able to book same-day tickets, or tickets for more than 4 months in advance. You'll pick the date, time, and number of tickets up to 15 that you need, and you'll receive an email confirmation. While they prefer you to have the barcode so they can scan it when you pick up the tickets at the Capitol just before your tour, you really only need the long reservation number. We recommend that you book up to 3 months in advance if you're planning to visit during the peak touring months of March to June, and at least a few weeks prior to your visit if you're coming in the summer. Tours run daily except Sunday, every 10 minutes from 8:30 to 3:20 p.m., but this schedule can be changed for any number of reasons. Option 2. Book a tour through the offices of your representative or senator. Tours are staffed by office personnel, usually interns. The advantage here is that groups are usually smaller and sometimes just your family. One potential drawback is your guide may be pretty new and not as knowledgeable as the docents. If you aren't able to get advance reservations or don't want to be tied to a time, you can try for walk-up tickets. Walk-up tickets are distributed on a first-come, first-served basis and are only given out for the next tour time slot, so you won't be able to grab tickets for later in the day. Your entire party must be there to receive the tickets, as the tour will start within the next 10 minutes. To pick up your reserved tickets or try for walk-up tickets, you'll need first to enter the Capitol Visitor Center. The entrance is on 1st Street on the east side of the Capitol, the side opposite the National Mall. You do not need tickets to enter the Capitol Visitor Center. You will go through strict security, where you cannot take in any liquids, gels, sprays, sharp objects, food, or water. There is also nowhere to store items, so keep that in mind when you plan your visit. Once inside, you'll find ticket counters in the main lobby on either side, with signs directing you to advanced reservations or same-day tickets. And last but not least, our personal favorite, Option 4, join us for a Capitol Hill tour, a walking tour of the Capitol building campus that visits the Library of Congress, Supreme Court, and ends with timed tickets for a tour with the docent. Because we go through the hassle of booking Capitol building tickets so you don't have to, these tours often book up fast. If you aren't able to get a tour of the Capitol building at all, the Capitol Visitor Center has an excellent museum. You can also visit the House or Senate galleries. Passes are available from a congressperson or for international guests from the appointment desk in the Capitol Visitor Center. These are not timed and can be used anytime the galleries are open. For more tips on visiting the United States Capitol building, check out our website at freetoursbyfoot.com. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and guides to help you plan your visit to Washington, D.C. and other cities around the world.